Can I get a replacement SSN card on the same day? The short answer is no. You cannot get a physical replacement Social Security card on the same day. The Social Security Administration prints all official cards at a secure, centralized facility and mails them out. Because local offices do not have card printing equipment on site, they cannot hand you a new card over the counter. However, if you need immediate proof for a specific purpose like starting a job, you can get a functional workaround on the same day. If you apply online or visit a local office, the representative can issue an official receipt or verification letter on the spot. Under federal employment rules, most employers accept this printout as a temporary substitute, allowing you to start working while you wait for the physical card. Many state and local government agencies will also accept this printout as temporary proof, though you will need to present the actual card once it arrives. Once your application is approved and your documents are verified, your physical card is sent via mail. If you apply online or in person, the card typically arrives at your mailing address within 5 to 10 business days. If you choose to mail in your original identity documents instead, the process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks due to transit times and manual processing. The quickest and most secure way to handle a replacement is to start the process online through the official Social Security Administration website. If you only need a straightforward replacement with no name changes, you may be able to complete the entire application online without ever stepping foot in an office. If the system does require you to show original documents, pre-filling the application online still saves time by allowing you to schedule a quick fast-track appointment to verify your paperwork in person. Just keep in mind that getting a replacement card is entirely free, so you should avoid any third-party websites that claim they can speed up the mailing process for a fee. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.